Okay, class. It's story time. I will be reading Humpty Dumpty. Junior, did you just burp in class?
No, Mrs. Ashley. I just burped in class.
Yes, you just burp in class. Junior, how dare you burp in class? You're not supposed to do that. That's it. Go to the principal's office right now. And I am calling your parents right now. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. Floaty. You will not believe that Junior just burped in class. Can you please pick him up? Thanks. Bye. Junior, we can't believe that you got expelled from school for burping in class. That's it. You are grounded for 498505821 4987521 years. Go to your room now.